Okay, this is question 12 on the WJC Additional Math 2016 paper. So we have a simple second derivative question here, so we just need to follow our rules of differentiation. So we need to find dy by dx first. So I'm going to differentiate this expression. So this is going to be 3 lots of, well, x to the 7 differentiates to 7x to the 6. And we bring the power out in front and drop the power by 1. Plus 4x will differentiate to 4. Okay, so that's 21 x to the 6 plus 4. So our second derivative, we're going to differentiate this again. So my 21x to the 6 is going to differentiate to 21 multiplied by 6x to the 5. And my plus 4 will differentiate to nothing. So this is just whatever 21 times 6 is, which is 126 x to the 5. Okay, part B, integration question. So the one to really watch out for here is this negative, as when we raise the power by 1, it's going to go to -1, not to -3, so just be careful. Okay, so this becomes 4 lots of x to the x cubed will integrate to 1/4 x to the 4. Plus 2 lots of x will integrate to 1/2 of x squared. Plus 4 lots of x to the -2 will integrate to x to the -1 over -1. So that's negative x to the -1. So we end up with 4 lots of 1/4 is 1. So that gives me 1 x to the 4, or just x to the 4. Then I've got 2 halves, which again is 1. So I've got 1/2, 1x squared. And then here, we've got positive times a negative, which is overall negative 4x to the -1. And don't forget, because this is integration which does not have limits, so an indefinite integral, we need to put a constant integration on there, so plus c. Now it's complete. And c, this time we have a definite integral because we have the limits on there. So if we integrate 8x plus 2, that will integrate to 8 lots of x will integrate to 1/2 x squared. Plus 2 will integrate to 2x between 2 and 3. So if I simplify that, I get 8 times 1/2 is 4x squared plus 2x between 2 and 3. I'll make the substitution of the upper limit first. So that's going to be 4 lots of 3 squared plus 2 lots of 3. All of that subtracted when I substitute in the lower limit. So I get 4 lots of 2 squared plus 2 lots of 2. Now I turn to my calculator. 4 lots of 3 squared plus 2 lots of 3 is 42. Take away 4 lots of 2 squared plus 2 lots of 2 is 20. So overall we get 22.